Okay, so there we go again. Let's see. So right now, let's see. Tormenta this week. I'm waiting for the parts for the magnetos. So hopefully I'm in camera. Let's see. A little bit higher, I guess. Okay, so right now, yes. So here it goes. This week. Right now I'm waiting for the parts of the magneto for Tormenta project. Right now, I bought this bike last summer, I think, or even earlier in the year. I could buy it for a fair price. I think I explained it already, the situation, but of course I knew that it would need a full revision. That's why I could buy it for a okay price, even though it was some money. Yeah. Now the idea is to take it all apart. That's what I'm going to show in this video. This is a T140, right? Yeah, T140, and has been tuned up by the previous owner. One owner from since 1978. Yeah, and this bike is it's beautiful. Like the owner took a lot of time. Like a lot. He changed all the bolts and nuts for the stainless steel. He took care of the engine, I can see it. He bought really nice parts. Yeah, but unfortunately the family didn't want to try to ride the bike. So the kids, they didn't like the bike, and yeah, so that's what I'm jumping, and now I'm gonna rebuild this engine. So I'm gonna take it all apart, measure everything, check everything, and then hopefully somewhere this year I will make this bike run again. Yeah. So yeah, let's get at it. Let's go. So I wanted to show this one. That's the first time I saw it on a twin. I saw it on a triple. I think it was a VC triple or Trident. I don't know, but I remember to see it on a Trident. I think it was a Trident. I don't remember. It was a long time ago. But yeah, the good thing, they're really reliable. But if you don't plunge it, you will not get the air out of it, and then the pump will not pump all into the system, and then you will give no oil to the engine, and then the engine got a crack. So this one, when I rebuild again the engine, I will not use it because it's a really nice pump, but I don't like this system. Yeah, I'm gonna go back to the Morgo 2, but with the pistons. Yeah. So yeah, I wanted to show this, and yeah, I wanted to show that the owner did his own marks here, I see. So that's nice. That means that the timer has been changed to get the most out of it. I'm curious to see the lift on those. Maybe are original, maybe not. I don't see any Montecycles name on it, so I guess they are not racing, but still I need to measure before I know it. And yeah, those con rods, yeah, they are pretty nice. So yeah, let's get at it. Let's take it apart and let's see what we got. There he goes. Yes, it's not open yet. So right now they are out. Those are out. They modified something here. I don't know why. I still need to check it. But they made a like a spacer. let's see the clutch. I didn't know it. I never saw one like this one before. So I asked to Jim, and he explained me that actually this is a self-made clutch, dry clutch, looks like it. And yeah, I want to research. Maybe I found some information about it, because yeah, like this aluminum has some protection and everything. So if it's handmade by somebody, I don't know who made it, but it looks good. Yeah, and it looks good. The center, it looks used, so I might need to change it, but I think I have a spare one, so that's good. And for the rest, everything looks fine. I think the owner modified this one too a little bit. You can see. And yeah, besides that, it looks fine. So far, so good. So no damage anywhere. It looks really good. So, and I like this. They made this. Yeah, that's a nice touch. Yeah. So yeah, it took me some time to lose everything. The most difficult one was this one, the little ones. This from this plate, like always, because if you don't warm it up, normally they are really stuck, and if you don't warm it up, you can break it off. But I didn't have that, so that's good, you know. They look all good, so ba-da-bam.
Yes, you do.
So there we go. Let's see, let's try to show. Whoop, that's blurry. Okay, yeah. So that's what I like to see. I like to see people who use Loctite and they didn't smash here, and yeah, you know. So that's how I work. Yeah, and to take it out is not easy. If you use Loctite and you do it properly, it's just there, and it's really difficult to take it out. So there we go. This is the engine from the T140, and that's what I thought. It's exactly what I thought. So it did run out of oil. You see, pop. Yeah, it did feel like it, and it's exactly that. Now I need to measure the big ends and check them out, but those were stock, like this one. Let's try to show it. Oh my god, the camera is worse. Okay, let's see. You see, this one is blocked, this one is open. Tuck, tuck, tuck. This one is open and this one is open, but this one I cleaned it up yesterday. But yes, you can see that somebody did a really nice work on it. Those both have the same lift, 8.40 I think. Yeah, both of them. So that's nice. And yeah, the rest, everything is looking nice, but of course it must be all cleaned up and yeah, build up again. So let's see you next week. Yeah, ciao.
Say we shouldn't, but you know we always will. The hollers, catch me if you can, runs up over the hill.